Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must start by using an iPhone to perform the only supported activation. Turn the watch on and open the watch app on the iPhone. Follow on-screen pairing until the watch requests Apple ID sign-in. Make sure you sign into the same Apple ID and enable cellular setup if available. Once paired and activated, keep the watch updated, then disconnect the iPhone. This initial pairing is mandatory because Apple requires iOS for the watch setup and provisioning. After activation on the iPhone, configure the watch to run independently. Enroll the cellular plan through the carrier's instructions inside the watch app and confirm eSIM activation. Make sure the watch has Wi-Fi networks added and Bluetooth enabled so it can connect to internet and accessories without the iPhone. Once the cellular and connectivity settings are confirmed, you can remove the iPhone's pairing relationship. The watch remains functional for calls, messages, and apps that run on. Now remove the pairing on the iPhone and place the Apple Watch near your Samsung S25 Ultra. It won't pair via the watch app, but the watch will operate using its cellular and Wi-Fi connections. Make calls and test notifications to confirm independence. If something stops working, the key troubleshooting step is to repair with an iPhone. Verify Apple ID, carrier eSIM activation, and watch OS updates, because most issues trace back to incomplete initial activation or carrier provisioning. Fix those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.